What's up? It's your boy Audio, and I'm back with another video. And I know it's been so long, so let me catch y'all up to speed. What's been going on? My phone had cracked, it's broke. The phone that I'm on now has cracked, it's almost broke. I don't have an actual camera to record on, so that's why I've been using my phones. Everything been done by my phone, and I've been using the Galaxy's brand to do it. So now let's get to this unboxing. If I show y'all what this is first, then y'all gonna know what this is. So I'm gonna show y'all what this is first. And see, I've been stuck on this for a minute, like I need the upgrade and these are not clothes. I went ahead and made a purchase of the brand new Xbox Series S, and it is fully digital. And to be sure, that's a Series S. This is the actual new one. For a second, when I unboxed it, I looked at the controller and I got scared because it kind of looked like the old controller, the old Xbox, all digital. The other ones was never all digital. This is how I know this is the new one. And what we have here on the back is Power Your Dreams. Now, I was able to cop this. Actually, I got a notification that the Xbox Series X was available. I went there, I had it in my cart, then I had to log into my account on Microsoft, and by the time I logged in, it was gone. And something told me, go see if they got the Series S, and they did. So this is what I got, and I'll unbox this in a second. Audio. I'll take this out the box. I forgot. So these are not socks, and whenever you get by a game system, you always gotta buy something to go with it. And what I ended up having to buy, because there will never be no less than possibly two people, except for when I'm playing my solo games. I got the new controller. This is the Plus Red. The downside about these controllers are they take batteries. I hate it. They take batteries. They're not rechargeable batteries, and that means I'm gonna have to constantly buying batteries. But I'm okay with it because I'm satisfied with my purchase. It's your boy Audio. Let's get to unboxing of the Xbox Series S, and I'm gonna bring it up on the screen so y'all look and see how it go. Oh.
Can I open this? Can I open this?
Hold on, Julie went after
Me. Open it. Mommy. Open it.
Man.
How will you open
All
this
right.
up?
Listen. Hold it. Here.
Bobby! Oh, it's got Bobby? Oh, it's only for that.
Let me see that.
Definitely you play again. And that too. And
Xbox Game
Bobby.
Pass Ultimate. Oh man, okay. Well, I have to make sure I blur it out and put the damn codes in there. Show the remote. And this is the controller. The Xbox.
Where's this Bobby?
Take batteries. Batteries go back there in the case. And this is what we have here. Power your dreams. This is the Xbox S. Look how small. This thing is small, man.
It is so small.
It's so small. This is a space saver for real. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off of it real quick. And
Daddy, I need to open the body.
meanwhile, you see it. Xbox.
Show me. Your body? No, that, like yours. This inside. Daddy, do you know what this